Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Chief Market Analyst. With August behind us, we are now moving into the fall market. But before we look forward to the always anticipated pickup in sales in the fall, I would like to take a few minutes to review what unfolded in August and through the first 8 months of the year. Greater Toronto Area Realtors reported 7,711 residential sales through TREB's MLS system in August 2019. This result represented a 13.4% increase compared to 6,797 sales reported in August 2018. On a month-over-month basis, after preliminary seasonal adjustment, sales were up by 0.8%. Now, GTA-wide sales were up on a year-over-year basis for all major market segments, with annual rates of sales growth strongest for low-rise home types, including detached houses. This reflects the fact that demand for more expensive home types was very low in 2018 and has rebounded to a certain degree in 2019, albeit not back to the record levels experienced in 2016 and the first quarter of 2017. The OSFI mortgage stress test continues to keep some would-be home buyers on the sidelines. Now, market conditions also became tighter in August 2019 compared to a year ago because while sales were up year over year, new listings were down by 3% over the same time period to 11,789. Year to date, growth in sales has well outstripped growth in new listings. This is why overall active listings counted at the end of August were down by more than 11% compared to August 2018. Now, thinking about the relationship between housing supply and demand, it is important to note that the GTA's strong local economy, cultural diversity, and internationally recognized quality of life continues to attract newcomers to the region each year. This is a good thing and obviously needs to continue for our region to remain competitive on the global stage. However, our region's housing supply has not kept up with population growth, which has led to pent-up demand for ownership and rental housing. Recent demand-side policy moves, including components of the Ontario Fair Housing Plan and the OSFI mortgage stress test, did not solve the long-standing supply issue. The province of Ontario and the City of Toronto have recognized that housing supply is a key issue and are working towards solutions. With the federal election less than 2 months away, all parties should be putting forth detailed housing policies that work to increase housing supply and provide more flexibility around mortgage lending, including amortization periods and the application of the OSFI mortgage stress test. Now, tightening market conditions have resulted in an increased rate of price growth. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark for August 2019 was up by 4.9% on a year-over-year basis. The average selling price at $792,611 in August 2019 was up by 3.6% year-over-year. Both the MLS HPI benchmark prices and average selling prices were up on an annual basis for major market segments. The condominium apartment segment continued to lead the way in terms of price growth, followed by higher density, low-rise home types like semis and townhomes, and then finally detached houses. While competition between buyers has increased, leading to stronger annual rates of price growth during this past spring and summer, right now, the overall pace of price growth is moderate. However, if demand for ownership housing continues to increase relative to the supply of listings, the annual rate of price growth will accelerate further. This underpins the importance of solving this region's housing supply issues, which will go a long way to ensuring sustainable pace of price growth over the long term. With all this in mind, we will be watching closely how the market unfolds in the fall. For more information on the market and to review more detailed statistics, don't forget to check out TREB's monthly Market Watch publication and related reports and infographics. Thanks very much.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.